So you see that three boxes. I'm going to open one. I think I like the gold one. Now let's see what is in there. Oh, that's very beautiful. Let me see what is in there. What? I cannot believe. So let's prepare everything. We're going to go one by one and teach you the best chicken tikka masala, how to prepare quickly and deliciously. Garlic paste, ginger paste, garam masala, cumin powder, chili powder, basically Kashmiri chili. That's going to be change the color of the chicken, would be most likely like a red. And this is a coriander powder, turmeric, and little bit cinnamon. As you see, this is skinless. It has to be skinless. Salt is very important. I know in America not so much salt, but in India there's no salt, there's no taste. Ginger garlic paste goes here. Also some little bit cumin. It will be really taste good and it will be not overpowered. Now I'm going to use olive oil. Indian cooking olive oil is not famous. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to be put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour and a half. Usually it is overnight, but we don't have enough time, so we're going to do an hour and a half. That will be perfectly okay. Already brought it from the refrigerator. It was 1 hour and a half. So I'm going to now skewer that. I'll put some potato on the tip of the skewer so the meat will not slide down inside the tandoor. It will hold the meat. So I'm going to go ahead and hang it inside the tandoor, okay? Okay. Meanwhile, I'm thirsty, so I'm going to go ahead and make some tea for me. Okay, this salad basically West Bengal and Bangladesh, they use it all the time. Here in America, you eat salad separate with dressing and stuff. Over there, no, they actually eat with rice. So we have some tomato, some cucumber, some baby carrots, and onions. Now I'm going to cook the sauce. Look like about 70% cooked, not more than that. Few more minutes to cook. Alright, as remember that spices was garam masala, turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder, and cinnamon. Put some yogurt here, non-fat Greek yogurt, and I do have here a cream. I'm going to mix it up. I know a lot of people put sugar. I'm not going to put any sugar on it. Definition of chicken tikka masala means you have to cook it in the tandoor, the small pieces of chicken, like a kebab, and then you cook that in a masala with the cream, and then it's turned as a chicken tikka masala. 70% cook and the rest will be cooked in the masala. Cook the tikka approximately 10 minutes in the sauce, and I usually keep it bigger size, so when my guests come I want to be generous. Bigger piece, not so smaller piece. I mean, generosity is always welcome. Oh, look, chicken is cooked very nicely. I feel shy. Some mango lassi. Making this mango lassi. So I'm going to put this pure mango puree in here. I used to go to my mom's village. There's lots of mango tree. I used to climb over there and get mangoes. My mom used to mad at me because she didn't want me to go up on the tree because it was dangerous. Now I'm going to put some yogurt, plain yogurt. I'm going to go ahead and stir these things together, mix it up, and pour it in. Mango lassi can be prepared many different ways. Today I'm going to make it a little different. I want to make it a little bit fancy. So I'm going to put this whipped cream, some fresh mango chop on the top of the whipped cream. So when you drink that, this little chop gonna go in your mouth. It feel like more pure mango. And then I'm gonna top with some almond chocolate, a little sprinkle of cinnamon to get little, spicy aroma, and ready to suck it up. This mango lassi you can find in the restaurant. Oh, naan bread. You ever seen the mini naan? My favorite way to eat chicken tikka masala with a naan bread, always. But also you can eat with basmati rice or chapati. There's a many different way you can have this chicken tikka masala. I don't need so many spoon and fork. I mean, Indian people eat with hand, When I was a kid, I never eat with hand. I mean, the bare hand, the rice and everything. My mom used to be mad at me. Say, why not? Eating with hand is actually good taste. But I don't want my fingernails to get with all the turmeric, the yellow things. I didn't like it. But eat bread, naan bread with curry is okay because you don't have to really use any fork or knife. So I'm going to go ahead and try first. Oh, this naan is really good. Okay, so I have this and I'm going to put it in my mouth. Much better. Actually, I was hungry today, Honestly, this sauce, so good. I can say, I didn't put that much chili, but it's really hitting in my tongue. So this is the best time to drink mango lassi because it has a sweeten on it. Oh, it's so good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you like my video, go ahead and click the thumbs up. I think I want to tell those people around, my friends, family, and people that who's watching, life is always beautiful. Life is only beautiful if you know how to live your life. You make a decision. So if something comes up in your life, especially now, pandemic going on, we have suffered 1.5 years, and a lot of people passing through the darkest time, It is really sad. My heart goes to them. But don't stop, because darkest time is not only you passing. Everybody does. Rich, poor, everybody. And darkest time, when you pass, basically it is a lesson. So the brightness doesn't have any value unless you're passing through the darkness. Goodbye.